Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a refreshing thumbs-up cocktail. This easy guide will walk you through each step, ensuring a delicious drink every time. We'll start by gathering our simple ingredients, then move on to the mixing process. You'll be enjoying this unique blend in just a few minutes. Get ready to impress your friends with this simple yet flavorful concoction. Now let's get to the fun part, mixing your cocktail. First, fill your chosen glass with plenty of ice. This ensures your drink stays cold and refreshing. Next, carefully measure out 1.5 ounces of your favorite dark rum. Pour this directly over the ice. Then, add 1/2 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice for a zesty kick. These proportions create a balanced and enjoyable drink. Hey everyone, if you're finding this cocktail guide helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. Quick recommendation. Just like a well-made cocktail, a well-prepped meal makes life easier. Make meal prep a breeze with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your ingredients fresh or packing your lunch. Check the description for the link and other amazing deals. Now, let's get back to the video. To complete your delicious thumbs-up cocktail, slowly top off the glass with the chilled thumbs-up cola. Fill it almost to the brim, leaving a little space for stirring. Once the cola is added, gently stir the mixture for about 10 seconds. This ensures all the ingredients are well combined without losing too much fizz. Finally, add a fresh lime wedge or a twist as a garnish. Enjoy your perfectly crafted drink.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.